Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today I have a cash stuffing for you. We are going to be stuffing our subscription binder, our cash envelope binder, along with our business binder today. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you stick around for the rest of this video, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, y'all, let's get into it. Okay, first things first, we are working with $528 today, so let's just count everything up and make sure that we have what we need. So we've got 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, so 380, 390, 400, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 500, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So $528 we are working with today. Okay, so first things first, we're just gonna start off in the business binder to get this one out of the way because this is gonna be a lot shorter. So I am putting in my Etsy income this week. That usually gets paid out at the beginning of the month for the previous month for me. And before I was just holding on to it until I did my stuffing with my YouTube income. But I think I'm just gonna kind of add Etsy and YouTube in during the weeks that I get paid out for it. So that's why it's in with this video. So and let me go over what I made last week. So if you didn't watch my last video where I set up my budget, make sure you go check that out. Serving, I did bring home $1,014. Cleaning, I brought my usual $60, and then I did have $78 from Etsy. So that just kind of gives you a thought process of where all of this is coming from. And Etsy is what my Etsy income of $78 is what I use to figure out a lot of this stuff we're going out over here. So let's just get to stuffing. Okay, so for our business binder, our first envelope is the AshleyMarieBudgets. This is just for anything that I might need for my Etsy shop or my YouTube channel. I put 10% of my Etsy and YouTube income towards this. So that's going to be $8 today. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And we currently have $100, so that is $108. Oh wait, I need to be over here. All right, so we have 108. We're not stuffing the YouTube. That is for giveaways. We are gonna stuff Splice today. So we are adding in $12, so 10, 11, 12. So let's see where we are at. So for Splice, we now have 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, $60. If I can get this in here. All right, so $60 for Splice. And that means we get to color in 4 of these little boxes. And I know I keep saying I should have redone this tracker because I do not like the way that it looks with the little black boxes colored in. It just kind of smudges the tracker. All right, so we got 4 boxes colored in, and y'all, we only have 4 left, and this will be funded, and it doesn't have to come out till November 14th, so that's good. Okay, so There is that. I decided to not stuff Canva. I wanted to put my majority towards Splice so we could get that fully funded. So Canva is still sitting at $40. We are not stuffing YouTube taxes today, but we are stuffing Etsy taxes. So I am putting aside 30% of my Etsy income, which came out to $23. So 20, 1, 2, 3. And I am not counting up my money that's in taxes. So we're just putting this in here and leaving it be. Okay, so we're done with that binder now. Let's go ahead and, well, actually, we need to go ahead and put in money for taxes for serving. So let's do that because that is the only thing we are putting into the bill binder this week. So, as I've said previously, I am a server. I only make $2.13 an hour, so I put aside 5% of my serving income each week into taxes. That way, when it comes the end of the year, I have the money already set aside and I don't have to worry about it. So we are putting $50 in there this week, and I don't count any of my tax money, so that's gone. Okay, let's move on to subscriptions. All right, let's get that. There we go. We are working over here. So first up is going to be the gym. Gym gets $10 every week. And we are gonna do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for gym, we now have 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So 45 towards gym. Next up is iCloud, and our iCloud subscription comes out every month, and it is only $2.99. So we are gonna put the $3 in there for the month so we don't have to worry about it. So $3 there. Next up is our Disney Plus subscription, and we are putting $12 towards that today. So we are now up to 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And that means, let's see, we did 12, so we're gonna color in 2 Mickeys and 1 Disney Plus logo. And we are almost a third of the way through this subscription, so that's good. Next up is our Tone It Up subscription, and that is going to be getting $5 this week, which now we have $15. And so we get to color in 1 over here. Next up is our BJ's membership, and that is going to be getting $5 today. And we now have 5, 6, 7 in there. And we are going to color in 1 BJ's logo and 1 shopping cart. All right, and that is it for subscriptions. Next, we are going to move on to our cash envelopes. Okay, so first up is my personal cash envelope. That is going to be getting $25. So now I have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Next up is my husband's cash envelope. He also gets $25. And he now has 20, 40, 50, 60, 65. Next up is groceries. Groceries is going to be getting $150. So we've got 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So total we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 260, 270, 275, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. So $285 in groceries. Next up is health. Health is going to be getting $35 today. And health now has 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37. So $137 for health. Next up is gas. Gas is going to be getting 50, so 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. And now total for gas is 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So $132 for gas. Pet care is going to be getting $40 this week. So 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So we now have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, $99 in pet care. Dining, we are giving ourselves $50 this week. So 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So now for dining, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 104. Next up is fun. Fun is getting $20. So we now have 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, $40. And last but not least, miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is getting $5. So we now have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, and that is it for our cash envelopes for the week. All right, guys, we got that all stuffed and finished for today. Make sure you tune in tomorrow. We'll be stuffing our sinking funds and savings challenges, including our Disney binder. So make sure you come back tomorrow for that. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.